Hello and welcome to Automation Studio How To. My name is Tobias and I'll be your software geek for today. In this video we'll be showcasing the new alarm list feature in Automation Studio 6. So, let's have a look at these features. For this I've created a simple project. This will be on our GitHub. You can find the link in the description. The alarm core now consists of lists. Here you can have as many lists as you would like. I currently only have one list, but you can reuse them with an offset. So let's say here I would like to offset them by 100. This is smart. So let's say you have in this list, you have all your standard alarms for your accesses. So let's say you have one access and another access and another access. You can reuse all your alarms without having to make them again. So let's jump into an alarm list. Here I have a simple alarm list. Currently only has one alarm called generic alarm 1. So let's say I want to make a second alarm. Let's just call it alarm 2. Here you can have your message like always, but now if you press spacebar, it will open up this pop-up window where you can find your text system. I only have one namespace called alarms, and then I have my text. We have generic 1, generic 2, 3, 4, and 5, and a hello world. So this was alarm 2, so let's just use the alarm 2 text. And you can keep on doing this. Give it the code 2. Let's make another one. Say this is alarm 3. But maybe we don't want it to be from the alarm system, we like it to be static, so let's just write test. And then we'll give this code 3. Maybe this will be a persistent alarm. So if we now go back into our alarm core, the list now is the same. So we will now have two instances of this list. We will have one where the code offset will be 0, so the code will be 1, 2, 3. And we will have one where the code offset is 100, so it will be 101, 102, 103. This gives much more flexibility in the lists and makes it so you don't have to declare the same alarms multiple times over. They can now also be edited into categories. So if we open the category file, you can make a category, call it cat. And here you can define them by severity or by code. Say you want all the codes 0 through 10 to be in this category. And you can keep on doing this as many times as you like. This now makes the alarm system a lot more flexible and hopefully will make it much easier to scale your alarm systems to greater cases. That's all I have for you today. Remember to press like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment. Have a good day.